sit back and see how many you guys can remember. First, let's talk about e-commerce. E-commerce is combining technology, media and retail for conducting business. The world of e-commerce has broadened the ability of sellers to meet buyers despite geographic constraints. The number of sellers, buyers and intermediaries continue to increase and scope out new niches. The main three competitors of global e-commerce market are Amazon, Alibaba and eBay. Amazon, eBay and Alibaba share the principal trait of providing an interface where buyers and sellers come together to exchange goods. They however differ a lot from each other. Amazon has some exclusive traits like its logistics and inventory capabilities, manufacturing and self-branded products and content provisions. eBay is unique in its auction-style retail offerings, while Alibaba offers perhaps the most wide-ranging services through their ecosystem. The positives of e-commerce have huge impact on the business and far-reaching business deals. Example, Alibaba Group Holding Limited sold 463 billion of goods through its online shopping websites in the year ending in March, as China's largest e-commerce operator. The negative of e-commerce is the security aspect, though Alibaba has taken care of this with Alipay that provides a guaranteed secure transaction. Now let's focus on the second key concept, which is value creation. By definition, value creation is the primary objective of any business entity. It is obvious that most successful organizations understand that the purpose of any business is to create value for its customers, employees, investors as well as its shareholders. Value creation consists of the following: personalized and customized services in Alibaba. A wide array of trading functions is available to buyers and sellers. In addition to this, the members get to manage their product listings in internal websites. Now who wouldn't want some extra bonuses? Risk control of the fulfillment process in Alibaba payment and delivery method assures the customer the security. Strategic partners network in Alibaba. Alibaba maintains a network of business partners, including banks and third parties. These parties are mainly business credit rating companies and authentication agents. The controlling complexity coordination in the market to deliver the right information to the right person under supervision and executing the transaction in a secure and reliable manner. Positives of Alibaba's value creation are that it brings in more equity, enhanced brand value. Negative side is that there are some substandard products on Alibaba's site, because they only provide the platform, and didn't do enough to control the product quality. Lastly, let's discuss about CRM. Customer relation management is a term that refers to practices, strategies and technologies that companies use to manage and analyze customer interactions and data throughout the customer lifecycle, with the goal of improving business relationships with customers. CRM is important as it costs more to earn a new customer than to maintain an existing customer, and Alibaba understands that. Jack adheres to the principle that customers first, employees second, shareholder third. Taobao is famous for its good CRM. For example, they have an embedded chatting system that allows customers to negotiate with the vendors, and they have the right to rate vendors based on their performance. A transaction is not done yet even the customers have made the order using Alipay, which will hold the payment. It's until customers receive products that satisfy their expectation, then the vendors can get paid, and the transaction is done. Because of its good CRM, Taobao earned a huge amount of loyal customers. Now let's talk about a concept that the business is not getting full value: cloud computing. We have spoken about cloud computing in class, which is the practice of using a network of remote servers hosted on the internet to store, manage and process data. Now let's apply that knowledge into our presentation. Alibaba has been using a cloud computing unit, Alibaba, but not have been able to get the full value from it. Alibaba is a relatively new entrant and hence faces tough competition from established players like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Cloud, and Google Cloud. Cloud computing is a promising segment for Alibaba as it seeks to diversify beyond its core e-commerce business. It was reported to show the slowest quarterly revenue growth in last 3 years. Alibaba has 3 data centers in China and a small data center in Hong Kong as compared to Amazon Web Services, which has 25 globally. It is evident Alibaba is not in a position to compete just yet. That brings us to the end of our presentation. Thank you for your attention. Hope you enjoyed.
Created using Powtoon.